Today guys, we're going to a Krispy Kreme car meet and we'll be taking the Camry there. First things first, we're gonna have to wash the goddamn car because it's been sitting for about 2 months ever since I got the Jetta. Mostly because the car's not finished. There's a few little modifications we gotta do to it, like carbon fiber hood. I want to get a different intake manifold and just a few other little things. TJ's coming.
Hello.
So, TJ and Ali haven't heard the cold start yet. So we're gonna start the Camry for them so they can hear it.
So loud. So Sasha bought me this, bought us this. And look at this, it's the Chemical Guys. Mind you, we're not sponsored and hopefully we don't get blocked for this because the last video almost got blocked. But it's one of those foam blasters you see every now and then on YouTube. And so I wish this was pink too, you know, so it'll match to this obviously. But we're men, we like green. No offense to pink people. You know. How does this work?
I think TJ, this thing goes to the hose. This goes in the hose.
This goes in the hose.
And
Oh
that
yeah,
goes
this goes
in there.
under. No, this goes under.
What are you saying? That goes into the hose.
Oh, see, this goes in the hose.
No, this
That goes in the hose.
TJ, you don't. You almost messed up this shit.
That's the hose. That goes in there.
Connect your tip with me.
Wait,
Guys, there's literally a picture right there.
Oh my god. It's like never mind. Just put it on there.
no, there's
Okay,
something got to be yanked back. See,
so your brain only works half the time.
it works all the time.
Okay, let's get the hose.
Come on, let me get the thing to tell you.
Here's the tip of the hose.
Why would I
Here, put it on there.
the line that says soap?
Wait, does it?
Yeah.
Oh,
and then
shit.
you fill the rest up with water.
Okay, dope. Let's see how good ice pouring skills.
Okay, I can't see because it's not
Oh my
flat level.
It's okay, just pour it a
Stop.
little bit. How's it looking?
See, my measurements are not all that.
Oh my! Did you just destroy my car?
Oh my god.
Hold on, can you turn that down?
No, you can't. That's how it is.
That's deadly. I don't think that's how it's supposed to spray. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I love it. I love a man who can wash my car for me.
Maybe the water pressure is not that high. Is the water leaking?
Yeah, it is.
Because this is what this is.
Give me that, the phone.
Yeah.
I told her to go look on YouTube. She's fucking doing it on me.
Because I looked it up and look at how many YouTube videos.
Camry's clean. TJ is raining on his car. Yes, sir.
Fuck it, I'm making rain on myself.
What's so funny, Ali?
us over there. They're all like, oh, I know that Camry. They know your car.
He says no, it's his.
It's got a fire extinguisher.
Oi.
Right.
Oi. Oi.
What's good with it? Shit, I told you, so like, you know how like where the screw points right there, they're like more in the middle. My shit's like all the way at the end, so I would have to like either.
No way. I think he does. He does. He actually does.
Long time no see.
Leg.
Not as bad as when it was installed. Installed, I do a little bit and fucking screw me off.
Oh my god.
I'll be going down King George with our Bridge or whatever, and I'll
Hands too.
Oh, that's how she looks. It's like a giraffe.
Like 50.
Oh, look at the wheel also.
Throw the camera off, so maybe you might do something.
No airlift. What do you think of that, Ali?
Bounce, bounce, bounce.